Hey guys, where am I? There I am. Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a good day, a good e-learning day, enjoying not having to come to school today. And sadly, we do have to do a bit of e-learning, so I have a short little lesson video for you over complementary and supplementary angles. We went over a lot of angle stuff yesterday, but we haven't gotten into quite the vocab. So I want to hit a few things today so we can go right into tomorrow and be all caught up. So I'm going to get off the screen here. That's not good. Okay, so this is actually really cool. We're not going to look at that quite yet. So here I've got two angles, a 145-degree angle and one 55-degree angle. In class yesterday, we talked about using a protractor to find different angles, and we were drawing angles out and measuring different ones. And so we know how to measure this with a protractor and find, yep, that's 45, and yeah, sure, that's 55 degrees. But what we didn't do is we didn't put two angles together like this, where they share a line. So what happens when you do that is these two, 55 and 45, if you add those together, you actually get what we talked about yesterday, a 90-degree angle. So a 90-degree angle, or a right angle, as we said, indicated by this little, little box, little thing here, means this here is a right angle. So quickly here, I'm going to label this. So if this is point A, and this is point B, and this is point C, and this is point D. Okay. So because I labeled it now, it's a lot easier to say that angle ABC, this angle right here, is 55 degrees, and angle CBD is 45 degrees. But the two of these angles together make up a complementary angle, which is the vocab word that we're going to be talking about today, or one of. Complementary angle. So the actual definition is two angles whose measures add up to 90 degrees. So 55 and 45 get you 90 degrees. And you can see that right there on the picture. So another vocab word that we're going to be using as well is an adjacent angle. So actually angle ABC and angle CBD are adjacent angles because they share a common vertex. Or a common line, sorry. So line BC is shared by both angles, which means that those two angles are adjacent. So this is actually an adjacent complementary angle. So now, that was complementary angles. If we pop over here, we're going to be looking at another angle. So this one is at 45-degree angle. But instead of drawing straight up, we're going to go over now, making another angle that's going to be 35. Just like on the last one, let's throw in a couple labels here. So we'll go A, B, C, and D. Okay. So angle ABC is 135 degrees. Angle CBD is 45 degrees. So the two of these angles together are supplementary, which is our second vocab word, or third. So supplementary angles are two angles whose measures add up to be 180 degrees. So we're going to have to move this B because, boom, 180 degrees, which we talked about yesterday, is a straight line. It's a flat, straight line, 180 degrees. So let's do a bit of active practice here. I should be, yeah, I'm back on the screen here. So should be able to mark this. I don't want to do that. Perfect. Okay. So this is actually really cool. I'm going to zoom in so you're not going to be able to see me anymore. But if you go in here, supplementary angles, which we just went over, are angles that equal 180 degrees. If I set this angle here at 56 degrees, this angle automatically sets to 124. Whoops. Let's reset those. How about that? So, as you can see, what do we have here? We actually have two right angles, which both add up to be 180. Now, if we overlap those and overlap these, no, that's not going to work. Reset. So actually, I'm going to switch it over now to complementary, which we talked about is 90 degrees. So if you have an angle that's 61 degrees and then another angle that's 29 degrees, you add those up and you get 80 degrees. So by knowing if two angles are complementary or supplementary, you can actually find out a lot about those, a lot of facts, a lot of missing pieces by knowing that fact. So in today's homework, there's quiz and assignments and such. I'm going to pop over here. So here is the Canvas page that you will be able to see. Load up here. There we go. If we go to e-learning, this is going to be your e-learning assignment for today. So you already did step one, boom, you got your video done, and we went over a bit of the practice. So now just go on and take the quiz, and then we've got a bit of angles homework. And I also left a really good video down here that I really advise everyone watches. It goes over the same stuff that I just went over, but just a bit more in depth. And I really, really liked it. So I think that would be a very good thing to look over. So good luck. I hope everybody has fun today. Get all the homework done. Quick side note, on the discussion question, which I will have posted, I will post the discussion question right after this video practice. I'll have it posted right here. That'll be number 2. I'll get that changed over real quick. In the discussion question, it asks about what you guys did. No, it asks